Do you ever get that feeling that everybody in the world is doing way better than you? Everybody in the world is further along on their paths than you. You read it in social media. It must be true. Not always. Let's have a very, very quick turbo tapping session with affirmations to ease our mind when those feelings come and know that we are good enough as we are. I am good enough. I am most certainly good enough. Even though it looks like everyone is doing much better than me, I move at my own pace. My good comes to me now. I am special. I am powerful. I am confident. I lack for nothing. All is well because I know I am good enough. All is well. And be sure to subscribe if you want to join us with more turbo tapping sessions. Bye.